we go. Oh, that's good. That lens is all bloody filthy and steamed up. No, just filthy. Oh yeah, the weather's in thick and fast now, look. Shitty weather. Oh, and no rain today. And that's the good thing with these DJIs, look. It is pissing down and they're watertight. So you don't have to have cables and everything running in them, it's all wireless. The only downside with this fucking helmet, it does steam up. I'm not impressed with this shoey at all. Chance of drizzle. Never know, might wash some of the shit off. I mean, this thing's got a bloody pin lock and it's still steaming up. I think when I get home I'm going to put on the original visor with the original pin lock. This is a Chinese visor with a Chinese pin lock. Not quite as good. So we've had a decent ride out today. It's only started raining really on the way back. Cock ups left, right and centre with technology. Steve's Cardo, as I say, packed up. It's not even the packed up bold. He's got the Cardo Neo. Hey Cardo, radio off.
Oh, behave.
Hey Cardo, radio off. Fucking thing. I hate that with Cardo. That's its default setting, that is. All of a sudden, boom, on goes the radio. Still, it was nice, we got out. It's testing my new RST Paragon 7 jacket. At the minute, I feel nice and dry inside. My feet feel dry in my City Gore-Tex boots. So gear-wise, clothing and boots, we're tickety-boo by the feel of it. Gloves are Gore-Tex. I did have one problem with MRA. I changed the settings for it to give out the sat-nav directions. Now that cocked up the connection with the bike. So the phone, the sat-nav, the MRA grabbed the Bluetooth connection to my pack talk before the bike could. So of course my missus phoned me. I couldn't hear it because it wasn't coming through the bike. Bloody technology. All fights for the connection, doesn't it, between itself. Come on then, mocker. Not mucker, mocker. So, things to do when I get home. Change them bloody settings back on that MRA app. Change this frigging visor back to the original shoey with a original proper pin lock. This Chinese one, Chinesium, even the pin lock insert is a copy of pin lock. So that's fine for the summer, but like this, it steams up no end. Hence, I've got the visor cracked a bit at the bottom. So we'll put the original back on. Hopefully, that and the original pin lock will work better in the shitty weather. Hopefully, it won't steam up as much. I do need to look at maybe get some power to these camera points. Cockpit cam is okay. The good thing with the lens pointing back to me is you don't have to keep wiping the bloody thing. You can always see the diesel spills, can't you? All the pretty rainbow colours. The old Mini screaming its guts out. And there's the downside of having your visor cracked open a bit at the bottom. Means it's cracked open a bit at the top. So then you get rain running down the inside of it. Yes, definitely going to swap that visor over. Well, if you've lasted this long, thank you very much for coming along for the ride. Not been the greatest of weather. It's been a right royal faff with all the technology with one thing and another. Oh, nice. Well, I shall see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, ride safe, and be well.